In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete duplicate transactions in QuickBooks. If you've accidentally brought the same bank transaction into QuickBooks more than once, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and the good news is that it's easy to clean up once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to remove duplicate transactions from your bank feed so your records stay accurate and easier to reconcile later. Start by opening QuickBooks and going to your main dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Accounting. This section gives you access to key financial areas, including the bank activity connected to your books. Once you're in accounting, click on Bank Transactions. This is where QuickBooks shows the transactions that have been imported from your connected bank or credit card accounts. If duplicates were brought in, this is typically the first place you'll want to review. Next, go to the specific account where the duplicate transaction appears. If you have more than one bank or credit card account connected, make sure you're working in the correct one before making any changes. Taking a second to confirm the account can help prevent removing the wrong item. Now find the duplicate transaction in the list and tick the checkbox next to it. Before selecting it, it's a good idea to quickly verify details like the date, amount, and description, so you're excluding the correct duplicate rather than the transaction you actually need to keep. After selecting the duplicate transaction, click Exclude. This removes it from your main transaction review list so it won't be added to your books. Excluding is useful because it gets the duplicate out of the way without immediately deleting it forever. If you want to permanently remove the transaction, go to the Excluded tab. This tab stores anything you've previously excluded from the bank feed. Once you're there, select the transaction or transactions you want to remove, and then click Delete. That's it. The duplicate transaction is now permanently deleted from the excluded list. As a helpful tip, if you're cleaning up several duplicates at once, take your time and review each one carefully. It's always better to double check before deleting, especially if the transactions have similar amounts or dates. Keeping your bank feed clean helps make your bookkeeping more accurate and makes reconciliation much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.